integrating sine squared x. So remember the trigonometric identity sine squared x equals half lots of 1 minus cos 2x. We'll substitute this into our integral and we'll get half lots of 1 minus cos 2x dx. We'll quickly factorize out a half from that and we'll get the nice integral 1 minus cos 2x dx. So let's integrate this. The integral of 1 is x. The integral of minus 2 cos x will be minus a half lots of, we get minus a half because we differentiate the 2x and we divide through by it, multiplied by sine 2x, because the integral of cos 2x is sine 2x. That is what we get, and we multiply that by a half, and that is going to be half x minus a quarter sine 2x. And of course this is indefinite integration, so that is plus c on the end. And that is the answer, and we got that all because we used the trigonometric identity over here, so it might be worth remembering this for your A-level exam. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful.